the elites in the geopolitical actors of China, Russia, and the US do not want reform. They want the primacy of geopolitics to remain. And if it remains, the UN will act in the future the way it has acted with respect to Gaza. And all the expectations will result in the kind of disappointment that has disillusioned so many people about the UN, who don't understand that it was created to fail in situations of this sort. It was created in such a way that it would not interfere with the strategic interests of the 5 permanent members. And it's a reminder that of President Erdogan's admonition that the world is greater than 5, by which he was communicating essentially this message that the UN as constituted cannot exercise responsibility for keeping the peace or promoting global security.